Introduction: a hub of innovation in Michigan. Nestled in Dundee, Michigan, the Dundee engine plant is a cornerstone of Stellantis' North American manufacturing strategy. Operated by Stellantis, the global automotive giant formed by the merger of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and PSA Group, this facility has become a key player in producing cutting-edge engines for a rapidly evolving automotive industry. In 2022, Stellantis announced a $99 million investment across 3 plants, including Dundee, to produce the EP6 engine, a 1.6-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder unit with direct fuel injection and hybrid-ready capabilities. This article explores the Dundee engine plant's role in manufacturing the EP6, its technological significance, and its impact on the future of automotive powertrains. The EP6 engine, a modern powerhouse. The EP6 engine represents a leap forward in automotive engineering. This 1.6-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is designed to balance performance, efficiency, and adaptability. Key features include direct fuel injection. By injecting fuel directly into the combustion chamber, the EP6 maximizes fuel efficiency and power output while reducing emissions compared to traditional port injection systems. Turbocharging. The turbocharger boosts power delivery, allowing the compact 1.6-liter engine to produce performance levels comparable to larger engines while maintaining better fuel economy. Hybrid compatibility. The EP6 is engineered with flexibility for hybrid applications, making it a versatile choice for Stellantis' electrified vehicle lineup, including plug-in hybrids, BEVs, and mild hybrids. These attributes make the EP6 a critical component in Stellantis' strategy to meet stringent global emissions standards while delivering the performance drivers expect. The engine powers a range of vehicles, from compact SUVs to sedans, across brands like Jeep, Peugeot, Citroën, and Dodge. The Dundee engine plant, a legacy of manufacturing excellence. The Dundee engine plant, located in southeastern Michigan, has a storied history of producing high-quality engines for Chrysler and now Stellantis. Originally opened in 2005, the facility was designed to manufacture engines for a global market, leveraging advanced automation and skilled labor. Spanning over 1.2 million square feet, the plant employs hundreds of workers and operates with a focus on precision, efficiency, and sustainability. In 2022, Stellantis' $99 million investment across Dundee and 2 other facilities, Trenton, Michigan, and Kokomo, Indiana, underscored the company's commitment to retooling its manufacturing base for next-generation powertrains. At Dundee, this investment facilitated upgrades to assembly lines, integration of advanced robotics, and training programs to equip workers with the skills needed to produce the EP6 engine. These enhancements ensure the plant remains competitive in an industry shifting toward electrification and stricter environmental regulations. Inside the manufacturing process. While specific footage of the EP6 assembly process from August 26, 2025, isn't publicly available, the general workflow at Dundee follows a highly sophisticated production model typical of modern engine plants. The manufacturing process for the EP6 likely involves several key stages: component fabrication. Raw materials, such as aluminum for the engine block and cylinder head, are machined with precision to meet exact specifications. Advanced CNC, computer numerical control, machines ensure tight tolerances for components like pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts. Assembly line operations. The EP6's components are assembled in a modular fashion. Workers and robotic arms collaborate to install critical parts, such as the turbocharger, fuel injectors, and electronic control modules. The plant's automation systems enhance efficiency while maintaining quality control. Quality assurance. Each EP6 engine undergoes rigorous testing, including dyno tests to verify performance and emissions compliance. Sensors and diagnostic tools ensure that every unit meets Stellantis standards before leaving the factory. Integration for hybrid systems. For hybrid applications, the EP6 is paired with electric motor components and battery interfaces, requiring specialized assembly steps to ensure seamless integration. The Dundee plant's ability to produce a high-tech engine like the EP6 reflects its role as a leader in Stellantis' global manufacturing network. The facility's emphasis on lean manufacturing principles minimizes waste, while its skilled workforce ensures that each engine meets the demands of modern vehicles. Stellantis investment. A broader context than $99 million investment in 2022 was part of Stellantis' broader Dare Forward 2030 plan, which aims to electrify 50% of its US vehicle lineup and 100% of its European lineup by 2030. The Dundee engine plant's role in producing the EP6 aligns with this strategy, as the engine's hybrid compatibility supports Stellantis' push toward electrification. By investing in facilities like Dundee, Stellantis is not only upgrading its manufacturing capabilities but also creating jobs and fostering economic growth in Michigan. The investment also reflects the automotive industry's response to global trends. Rising fuel prices, stricter emissions regulations, and consumer demand for eco-friendly vehicles have driven manufacturers to prioritize efficient, versatile engines. The EP6's design caters to these demands, offering a balance of power and sustainability that appeals to both regulators and drivers. Challenges and opportunities. Producing a sophisticated engine like the EP6 comes with challenges. Supply chain disruptions, particularly for semiconductors and raw materials, have impacted the automotive industry in recent years. The Dundee plant must navigate these issues to maintain production schedules. Additionally, training workers to handle hybrid-compatible engines requires ongoing investment in education and skill development. However, these challenges are outweighed by opportunities. The EP6's versatility positions Stellantis to capture market share in the growing hybrid vehicle segment. The Dundee plant's advanced manufacturing capabilities also make it a potential hub for future engine programs, including fully electric powertrains as Stellantis expands its EV portfolio. The broader impact, jobs, community, and sustainability. The Dundee engine plant is more than a factory, it's a vital part of the local economy. The facility employs hundreds of workers, many of whom are members of the United Auto Workers (UAW) union. Stellantis investment has helped secure jobs and attract new talent to the region, contributing to Dundee's economic stability. Sustainability is another key focus. The EP6's fuel-efficient design reduces the carbon footprint of Stellantis vehicles, while the plant itself incorporates eco-friendly practices, such as energy-efficient machinery and waste reduction programs. These efforts align with Stellantis' commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2038. Looking ahead, the future of Dundee and the EP6. As the automotive industry continues its transition to electrification, the Dundee engine plant is well positioned to adapt. The EP6's hybrid-ready design is a bridge between traditional internal combustion engines and fully electric powertrains, ensuring the plant's relevance in a changing market. Future investments could see Dundee producing components for electric vehicles, such as battery packs or electric motors, further cementing its role in Stellantis' strategy. For now, the EP6 engine is a testament to the plant's capabilities. Its combination of performance, efficiency, and adaptability makes it a cornerstone of Stellantis' lineup, powering vehicles that meet the needs of today's drivers while paving the way for a more sustainable future. The Dundee engine plant stands as a symbol of Michigan's manufacturing prowess and Stellantis' commitment to innovation. By producing the EP6 engine, the facility is helping shape the future of automotive powertrains, balancing performance with environmental responsibility. While specific manufacturing footage from August 26, 2025, remains elusive, the plant's role in building the EP6 speaks volumes about its importance to Stellantis and the broader industry. As the world moves toward a greener future, Dundee's skilled workers, advanced technology, and forward-thinking investments ensure it will remain a driving force in automotive manufacturing for years to come.